Take control of your finances with Acumatica Cloud ERP. The robust general ledger and user-friendly financial reporting deliver capabilities that basic accounting software can't match, providing financial clarity and the freedom to scale without limits. Customize financial calendars to match your business operations. Whether managing one company or many, you can create unique accounting calendars with varied year-end dates. Acumatica's powerful multi-ledger architecture gives you complete financial control through 4 specialized ledgers. Actual ledgers capture your real-time transaction balances, while budget ledgers track projections for comparative reporting and precise variance analysis. Reporting ledgers streamline currency translations and consolidations, and statistical ledgers capture quantitative data and KPIs to foster data-driven decision-making. Leverage account classes to designate accounts for financial statement sections, such as assets, liabilities, revenue, and expenses. Build the perfect chart of accounts with Acumatica's flexible segment structure. Customize each segment with your choice of alphanumeric, numeric, or Unicode values. Maintain data integrity with automated validation rules. Quickly set up your chart of accounts manually or streamline the process by importing them from a spreadsheet. Use control accounts to seamlessly link general ledger accounts to subsidiary ledgers, such as accounts receivable, accounts payable, and taxes. Ensure accurate reconciliation with additional subsidiary ledgers for fixed assets, deferred revenue, inventory, sales orders, and purchase orders. Control the level of detail posted to the ledger from other parts of the system. The summary option consolidates multiple transactions into a single GL entry. The detail option records each transaction separately. The chart of accounts automatically flags ledger accounts linked to cash or corporate credit cards and displays the default currency and revaluation rate type for foreign currency denominated accounts. Generate ready-to-post consolidation journals by mapping subsidiary ledger accounts to their corresponding parent company accounts. Use ledger preferences to identify year-end accounts for net income and retained earnings. You can also set the order in which the accounts appear on general ledger reports. Sub-accounts enable advanced, multidimensional financial analysis by adding depth and flexibility to your chart of accounts. Define sub-account structures using segment keys. Customize the segment count, length, character type, and validation rules. Create sub-accounts manually or quickly import them from a spreadsheet. Assign sub-account defaults to customers, vendors, inventory items, and more to streamline transaction throughput for enhanced financial reporting. Acumatica's flexible budgeting framework enables comparative analysis between actual results and planned performance. Simple budgets are well suited for single-level reporting environments, while complex budgets use a hierarchical structure of nodes and trees that span across companies, branches, and dimensions. Minimize compliance risks with Acumatica's advanced AI and machine learning capabilities. By learning your organization's typical transaction patterns, Acumatica intelligently identifies and notifies financial leaders of general ledger anomalies for further investigation. Protect your business with Acumatica's enterprise-grade security. Built on Amazon Web Services, our platform combines advanced encryption and AI-driven threat detection with SOC 2 Type 2 compliance. Your data stays secure through AES and TLS 1.2 protocols, while granular role-based controls let you restrict access by company, branch, module, or field level. With multi-factor authentication, single sign-on, and comprehensive audit trails, your sensitive data gets the protection it deserves. Gain deeper financial insights with role-based dashboards and key performance indicators, with real-time access to supporting details. For example, the Controller Dashboard provides financial executives with summarized performance and operational metrics. The AR Clerk Dashboard provides receivables personnel with aging details, overdue invoices by salesperson, and cash inflows. And the AP Clerk Dashboard helps staff manage vendor payments, monitor liabilities, and streamline invoice processing with artificial intelligence automation. Acumatica provides ready-to-use financial reports and inquiries, including trial balances, balance sheets, profit and loss, and cash flow statements. Tailor existing reports or build new ones with our robust and intuitive financial report designer. Built specifically for accountants, it lets you quickly duplicate and customize reports to suit your needs. Acumatica's report definition module combines standalone row sets and column sets to create flexible, foundational reports. Users can tailor information requests with runtime parameters before generating the final document. Unit sets significantly enhance dimensional reporting by allowing users to dynamically filter and adjust reports based on company, branch, or sub-account segments. Use hyperlinks to drill down into detailed data from reports or inquiries. Empower your organization and tailor the system with complementary applications such as advanced reporting, budgeting, and data analysis by Velixo, and business intelligence reporting and data warehousing from Data South Analytics. Transform your financial management with Acumatica's General Ledger. Our multi-ledger architecture delivers real-time insights across entities, tracking actuals, budgets, and operational metrics in one system. Contact us today for a personalized demonstration.